Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 82. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we'll solve a geometric problem. Supposing we are given a problem as described above. The city ordinance requires a fence around a swimming pool. The pool owner has 154 of fencing. What's the width of the border? And you are given the swimming pool, and the border that the fence is supposed to be installed. Now you can clearly see that we're really talking about the perimeter, and that's the total distance around the border, which is 154 feet. This must equal to the distance all round. Now, if we can look at the length of the border, you find it to be x plus 20 plus x. So the length will be x plus 20 plus x. But since we are trying to find the perimeter of this border, we need to multiply this length by 2 because we have an equal distance of the opposite side. So this distance will be multiplied by 2. And then we have to add this to the width of the border. Now the width of the border will be given by x plus 16 plus x. So we have x plus 16 plus x. And this is also supposed to be multiplied by 2 because we have two sides. So that total should give us the perimeter of 154. So we then go into simplifying our given equation. 154 will equal to 2 into x will be 2x, 2 into 20 will be 40, 2 into x will be 2x, plus 2 into x will be 2x, plus 2 into 16 will be 32, and then 2 into x will be 2x. We can then move to simplify the quantities that have variables. We have 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, and 2x here, which will give us 8x. And we've got 40 here and 70 and 32 here. So this gives us a total of 72. And all this is equal to 154. So we then try to isolate x. And we do that by subtracting 72 from the right-hand side. And what we do to one side of an equation, we must do to the other. So we also subtract 72 from the left-hand side. And we are left with 8x is equal to 82. Next, we divide by 8 on both sides. And we are left with x equals to 10 remainder 1 over 4. So x is equal to 10 and a quarter feet. So that's the width of the border. We know that, that's the value of x. So the width of the border will be 10 and a quarter feet all around the pool. All right. Okay. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.